Hi Proof, I'm going to introduce the progress so far. So here is the home page of the C language. So this one is already logging, and then for here is the list of the topics. So under each of the topic we'll have basically 4 functions. So here I'll just demo the loops as the example. So others contents will upload later. So this one, so first one is the loop lecture. So this one, so each of the topic will have a lecture. So both for the teacher and the student. So each time, if you want to have an interactive lecture, you just need to create a lecture. Then we'll have a join session. So after create the join session, we'll come into the chat room. So here we can start their lecture teaching. So, and here whether want to use the microphone. So if any student want to share their words, or also the lecturer need to have the microphone. So we'll testing, and yes, that's okay. So here on the right hand for this part is the chat room. So you can have some more options, and you can also just key the word that you want to say, like hello. Then you will show it here. Hi. Also show it here. And the left one is the user list, and this one is the camera of the user, and the middle is the whiteboard. You can draw some graph, like draw some triangle, or you want to write any, use the pencil to say anything. Very easy to use. And also can share or display the desktop of the teacher. And so here maybe play some video to show some files, and also be okay. And also here is the button to record. So after click the start recording, the whole process of the lecture will start to record. And then after it, the recording will display at here. So when students they come, if they miss the lecture, they can play the recording here. Here is the recording I recorded before. So the very basic play video. But now it's like the problem is this video is only a player, a media player. So I can only play the video online, and I cannot edit. So maybe I try to find a way to edit this video. So I close this one. So this is for the interactive chat between the teacher and the student. So I just end the session. Then for the second one is the assignment. For the assignment, just I have mentioned. So every time they come to assignment, here will show the problem they need to solve. Also during the description, we'll have some sample input output. And this one is only for the teacher can see. This is all the test cases, just like I have mentioned. Give some input, output, and for each of the test cases, what are the expected input and output, and they need to then after run their submitted programs, the output should just the same as the sample output. So yeah, so every time they need to submit, then after submit, they can even edit their own ones. Then they can just start to run. I said auto evaluate, that which means after they submit, so it will already automatically evaluate the result for them. So as the edit here, they can already see the result. Now, on the right have a summary of the test. You can see 4 tests run, 4 tests passed, which means there are 4 test cases, and all the tests test cases satisfied, so they will get 100 full mark. You can see you can also edit here and evaluate, round back. Yeah, you can see the grade here, and you can also check the program they submit. And this one is for the assignment, so this one is the like an online program editor or evaluator. The more important is that it is able to evaluate the programs the students submit for the assignment just online, and no need the teacher to download and run themselves. And next one is the loop quiz. So for the quiz, there's a question bank. So each time for the one quiz, after the student coming to the quiz, then the system will randomly pick a few questions just among the question bank. For example, I return the quiz. And the question one is about the for loop. The student need to indicate the sequence, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, which means the program should run from line 1 to line 2 to line 3 to line 4, then to line 5. Then we'll repeatedly run the program, then quit the for loop, then come to line 6 and line 7. So this time just leave it there. So next. So similar, this one is for a while loop. So the student also need to key in some sequence that they think are correct. So next, they can submit all and finish. We'll come to the answer page. So here we can see we'll have some description about the correct answer as well as the video, just like I've mentioned. So for each question I will prepare a video for it, so it will so display in the compiler or the IDE, so how the program flow actually work. And also next to the program is the watches to see the variable change while the program just run. Close it. So this one is for a student to better understand how the program actually, this is for visualization. Then for the last part is the loop video, which means beside the interactive chat room, the lecturer are also able to upload some video they prepared, or some other videos they found somewhere else. And for this part, I will just myself will prepare one short video for each of the topic. I will put here to introduce some concepts for each of the topic. So basically now is like what I'm thinking is just like this, to have 4 functions for each of the topic. So the appearance part, I haven't changed the appearance of the website, so I will leave it this part just before the documentation. Now I just want to make sure that all the functions that are good enough, and please feel free to give me your feedback. How is it? What I need to change and to improve. Thank you very much.